So, class 5, good morning everybody. In the previous day, today I take your grammar class. In the previous day I have already completed revision class. I have already completed chapter 6 and adjective, and today I start revision chapter 7, comparison of adjective. So you know what is called adjective. The adjective which describes a noun or a pronoun is called adjective. That is, Ram is a good boy, this is a big city, this is a large tree, big, he is an intelligent boy, intelligent, qualifies the noun, and this is called adjective. Now comparison of adjective. These adjectives are used not only to describe nouns or pronouns, but also they used to compare two or more nouns or pronouns. So they are called, then the adjectives are called comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree of adjective, that is base form adjective, that is big, small, good, far, large, etc. etc. Positive degree of adjective. Comparative, when an adjective compares two nouns, it is said to be comparative degree. Comparative degree of adjective. That is, Ram is taller than Shyam. Taller. Comparative degree of adjective. Superlative degree of adjective. An adjective is said to be in superlative degree when it compares more than two nouns. That is, shortest, bravest, best. Ram is the best boy in the class. That is, Ram is a good boy. Shyam is better than Ram, comparative, and Moinak is the best boy. That is, best is the superlative. सबसे अच्छा superlative. So there are some rules how to change comparative from base adjective to comparative and superlative degree. First, naturally comparative form is made by adding er with the main adjective, and superlative degree is made by adding est with the main adjective. That is, positive adjective, that is hard, comparative harder, superlative hardest, long, longer, longest, brave, braver, bravest. This is the rules. Positive naturally, and is hard, harder, hardest, long, longer, longest, short, shorter, shortest, kind, kinder, kindest, brave, braver, bravest. Okay. 2 number, when the positive degree ends with e, vowel e, and we add r in the comparative and st in the superlative degree. That is, suppose brave, brave, last letter e, then we made comparative degree braver, braver, bravest, st, bravest, bravest. So r, st, st. Number 3, if any adjective ends with y, and we change y into I and add er to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. That is pretty, pretty, y. So prettier, comparative, prettier. Prettiest, superlative, prettiest. Dry, dry, drier, drier, driest, driest. Okay. When the positive degree is a one-syllable word ending with a consonant preceded by a vowel, in such case the consonant is doubled before adding er and est. When the positive degree is one-syllable word ending with a consonant, that is dim. That is, it is one-syllable word dim, and last word is consonant dim. Then it is, when we change it into comparative degree, that is, consonant is doubled, and then we add er in the comparative degree and est in the superlative degree. It is dim, dim, dimmer, dimest, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fatter, fattest, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay. 5 number. If the words are more than 2 syllable, 2 syllable, 3 syllable, twice more than 2 syllable, we add more to comparative and most to the superlative degree. Useful, USCFUL, 2 syllable. So comparative degree more useful, superlative degree most useful. Beautiful, beautiful. So more beautiful, most beautiful. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Most attractive. 6 number. Some words do not follow any of the above rules. They form an entirely new word in comparative and superlative. That is good. Comparative degree better, superlative degree best. Little, less, least. Bad, ill. Worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Other words. There is no relation with the positive degree. EREST not. Only new words made in comparative and superlative degree. Some two-syllable adjectives can take either ER or more in comparative and either EST or most in the superlative degrees. Simple. It may be comparatives more simple or simpler, most simple or simplest. Narrow. More narrow or narrower, most narrow or narrowest. Quiet. More quiet or quieter, most quiet or quietest. Now I discuss comparative adjective in your class. That is, adjectives are used not only to describe nouns or pronouns but also to compare two or more nouns or pronouns. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. Positive degree of adjective, the base form of adjective is called positive degree of adjective. Exercise: tall, big, good, attractive, etc. Number 2, comparative degree of adjective. When an adjective compares two nouns, it is said to be comparative degree of adjective. Exercise: quicker, bigger, taller, better, etc. Superlative degree of adjective. An adjective is said to be in superlative degree when it compares more than two nouns. Shortest, bravest, best, etc. Example: Ram is a good boy. Positive: Sham is better than Ram. Comparative: Moina is the best boy. Superlative. Okay. How do you form comparative and superlative degree of adjective? There are some rules. Number 1. Naturally, comparative form is made by adding ER with the main adjective, and superlative form is made by adding EST with the main adjective. Positive: hard. Comparative: harder. Superlative: hardest. Long, longer, longest. Short, shorter, shortest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Brave, braver, bravest. Okay. 2 number. When the positive degree ends with E, we add R in comparative and ST in superlative degree. Positive: brave, B-R-A-V-E-E, so B-R-A-V-E-R, B-R-A-V-E-S-T. W-I-S-C, E, so W-I-S-C-R, wiser, W-I-S-C-S-T, wisest. N-O-B-L-E, noble, N-O-B-L-E-R, nobler, N-O-B-L-E-S-T, noblest. 3. If any adjective ends with Y, we change Y into I and add ER to form comparative and EST to form superlative degree. Positive: pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Comparative: P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R, prettier, P-R-E-T-T-I-E-S-T, prettiest. D-R-Y, dry, D-R-I-E-R, drier, D-R-I-E-S-T, driest. Heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, H-E-A-V-I-E-R, heavier, H-E-A-V-I-E-S-T, heaviest. 4. When the positive degree is a one-syllable word ending with a consonant preceded by a vowel, in such case, the consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. This example: positive, comparative, superlative. Dim, M, dimmer, D-I-M-M, last letter consonant, so D-I-M-M-E-R, dimmer, D-I-M-M-E-S-T, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay. 5. If the words are more than 2 syllables, we add more to comparative and most to the superlative degree. That is, useful, more useful, most useful. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. 6. Some words do not follow any of the above rules. They form an entirely new word in comparative and superlative degree. That is good, better, comparative, best. Little, less, least. bad, worse, worst, evil, worse, worst, much, more, most. 7. Some two-syllable adjectives can take either or er or more in comparative and est or most in forming superlative degree. Simple, more simple or simpler, most simple or simplest. Narrow, more narrow or narrower, most narrow or narrowest. Quiet, more quiet or quieter, most quiet or quietest. So today in your revision class I revised chapter 7 comparison of adjectives. I discussed the introductory notes, that is the rules of how you form the comparative to superlative degree, some rules I discussed, and what is called comparison of adjectives and how many types of adjectives, comparison of adjectives are there in your English grammar. Today I discussed again, revised in your class, and next day I do exercises in your class. And again I remind you that you have to maintain the rules of COVID-19, and again I tell you all these exercises you do in your book and submit within the mentioned date, and you have to write in your book, not copy, only essay and letter you write in your copy and submit, and grammar exercises you do in your book, which I do in your class and homework. And your exam, first term exam starts with 9th August, and so I request all the students, you recall, enroll your names and readmission, take readmission within the mentioned date, that is 6/8/2021 in your school office. And so I wish all you best, I give you best wishes to all of you. You may keep yourself good and healthy. And today I discuss comparison of adjectives. Next day I revised exercises of chapter 7. Now today, thank you. Okay.